Struggling to debug in Swift? Learn how the dump function can help you quickly inspect your objects and streamline your debugging process. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and Swift UI tutorials. The dump function in Swift is a powerful debugging tool that provides detailed information about an object's properties, types, and values. It's especially useful for inspecting complex data structures, classes, or enums. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use dump to better understand your objects during debugging. The dump function in Swift provides a detailed description of an object, offering more granular information than print. The dump function enables the memory layout of an object to be viewed, the values of its properties to be viewed, the types of the properties to be viewed. We will now start with a basic example. We have a simple class called person that has an initializer, constructor, so if we want to view the attributes values or the variables values of this class, all we need to do is to type the following. So we create a new instance of the class and pass the values to the constructor, and then we just use the dump keyword, which is in Swift, and then we pass our class instance or our variable to the dump function, and then we can expect the actual values within the class or the variables of that object. So now I'll just run it so you can see the output to the console. As you can see, within the console, it shows the values for the variable. So this is the variable name, and the value is John Doe, and also the other attribute is age, and the value is 30, and that's just by using the dump function. And with the dump function, we can also inspect arrays as well. So if we want to inspect an array, we just provide the dump function with the array that we want to look at. I'll just rerun it. And as you can see, the values of the array has been printed to the console. Want to build your own Connect4 app? Now you can. Download the free source code and start building today. The link is in the description below. Make the language translator functional. The first thing we need to do is register for an API key. In this lesson, we will create the downloading translation view. So within the application, when the user enters the text that they want to be translated, for example, if I enter hello, and I want that to be translated from English to Spanish, when I click on translate, you'll see a view above here, which will display the word downloading. Learn to build a language translator apps with Swift UI Master UI Design, API integration, and hands-on projects. Enroll now and start building. We can also display the values of dictionaries using the dump keyword. I'll just comment out lines 27. So all we do is just pass the dictionary to the dump function, similar to what we've done in the previous examples. Run the application. As you can see, our dictionary data displayed on the screen, where key value, where the key is the name, and the name value, or the name of the key contains a value, which is Alice. So this is the key, and this is the value. Alice's age is 25, so the key is age, and the value is 25. The dump function is a powerful, swift debugging tool that provides detailed information about objects, making it ideal for complex or nested structures to improve data understanding and debugging. For more swift and switch, don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and Switch UI tutorials.